Good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming. Welcome to the first CETA event of 2018. Thanks for asking me to chair it, Alan. Very happy to be here. So as Alan said, the running order is we're going to have three speakers, then we're going to have a short Q&A, and after that we'll have a panel discussion. So as Alan said, the title of this event is Driving the Digital Transformation of the Irish AEC Sector, which is not an unambitious goal. At the end of last year, the National BIM Council, which I sit on, produced the roadmap. Now, there are a number of recommendations in the roadmap to lead, support and define the route to this digital transformation. Having a roadmap is a good thing. You can see the destination, you can see the way to get there, but the hard bit is actually walking the road, doing the process, making it all happen. The roadmap splits it into four areas of work: leadership, standards, education and procurement, and then identifies a number of actions within that to try and map it out, to break it down to make it easier. For me, I see three areas of change. So within those four areas, they apply to three main areas of change: demand, design and delivery. Demand is with the clients. What do they want? Why do they want it? Why do they want it the way that they want it? Do they know what they want? If they can correctly ascribe what it is they want, then we can do a better job of delivering what they've asked for. The design is the process, the clean design process from nothing to something. How do we talk to each other? How do we collaborate? How do we do it better, faster, cheaper, more efficiently with less errors? And the delivery is how it's delivered, irrespective of the procurement method, who can do it, how can they do it, and how can they give the client back what they asked for. So the particular piece that I've been doing some work on is on the design. With the CIC, we've been looking at, in particular, the REBA work stages and how we can apply some of that logic in the Irish context. We've carried out a mapping exercise, setting out the work stages, the new proposed work stages, and the current appointment documents and the current appointment tasks to try and expose the gaps between the various disciplines. And it's thrown up a number of interesting things. We don't produce information in a manner that the other people want to consume the information. We produce information in a manner we think they want to. There's very little discussion on how a quantity surveyor wants to rip information from a BIM model, but what goes into the BIM model is what I think he wants, what I think I want to put into it. So there's a lot of discussion there to actually resolve how we go about producing information collaboratively that is easy to digest for the people that are supposed to digest it and take it out of the model. One of the analogies I've been using recently is like email. Like if I write an email on a tablet or a phone or a Mac or a PC, I don't really care how the information gets translated to somebody else. They get the information and the software deals with it. That's what we can. That's the kind of simplicity we need. Anyway, as Alan said, the focus for today is on the facilitating the formation of a national BIM Centre of Excellence, and that was the first recommendation in the roadmap, is to provide some supports for people who want to go this journey before, in advance of a potential mandate. If somebody wants to do this, where are the supports? How do I go about this? What information do I use? What literature? What task? What appointment documents? How do I go about it? So we have three speakers today. They're all going to give us varying perspectives on that from their own viewpoints from outside this parish. Our first speaker is Louise Foodie. She's a director of brand and digital at Kingspan. Kingspan are investing in this digital transformation, investing in a company called Invacare. Invacare is the platform on which BIM Assure is built, which I'm sure you've heard of. So I'm going to hand you over to Louise now.